Hey folks, Miguel here. I'm super excited. We're about to get started with our Emerald Coach training. And I'm super pumped for this. Some people will be able to become an Emerald Coach within a week of joining Beachbody. And hopefully that's you. But if it's not you, you're going to learn a lot of information within this module. And if you're already an Emerald Coach and you're just coming back to look at some of the basics, a lot of the stuff we're going to get into here is the core. Right? So the other part was the foundation elements, kind of like your legs, right? They're going to keep you standing up strong. Now the core elements, the core part that really gets your business moving, this is what this section is all about. And so here we're going to get into a lot of different things. This first video is going to focus on the most important element in Beachbody, what makes Beachbody completely different than any other business, and that is the fact that the number one thing you can do as a Beachbody coach is being a product of the product. Now what does that mean? For me, that means I'm always staying in great shape. I'm always getting in better shape. I'm going for runs. I'm running in the half marathon this weekend. I'm sharing how I play with my kids outside now so much better because I'm in better shape. I'm doing the home workouts. I do Turbo Fire in my basement. I do Les Mills Combat. Not only that, but my journey didn't end when I just finished Turbo Fire. I got the next step. I got Les Mills Combat. I even got the workout gloves. Now I'm actually, one of the next workouts I'm super pumped about is Body Beast, right? So I bought Body Beast and I'm ready to do that right after I get back from Coach Summit in Las Vegas with Beachbody. Super pumped about that. I also, one of the things I do is I always have my Shakeology ready. So you don't have to do this, but what I do is I actually have 3 different auto ship orders of Shakeology. The reason I do that is I have one for me, which I mostly drink. It's a big bag. That's the better deal, really, is the big bag. So I mostly drink the vegan chocolate. My wife drinks the tropical strawberry, so she has a bag of that. And then at the same time, I also have basically a box, I don't know if you can see it, maybe I'll try and grab it here, of the Shakeology mix box. So I get like a mix of like chocolate and strawberry, and I use these for samples. And I use them for samples to give out to people that come to my website and want to learn more about Beachbody. And I always carry these in my bag as well. These are excellent to make at work. So I'm literally a product of the product, walking around, like I walk around with this Beachbody jacket. You can buy P90X, workout equipment, the jacket, the gear, all that stuff. The better you are at being a product of the product, the better you share your journey, the more people are going to connect to you, and you're going to become this magnet, and people are just going to naturally ask you, what are you doing? When I first started as a Beachbody coach, I didn't know anything that you already know, okay? I didn't have a website where I could go to and learn all this information that you're learning. I was just picking and choosing, and what worked the best for me, and still works the best to this day, forget everything else, is being a product of the product, okay? I walk into a restaurant, people see me, they know, I've lost X amount of weight. And you don't have to have already had a great transformation. If you're a coach that's just starting with your transformation, in some ways that's even better. Okay, it's actually harder for me now than it was before when I was on my journey, because people connected with me before a lot better. If you're on your journey right now, that's better because people will connect with you. They're like, what are you doing? Even if it's week 1. And in week 1, you're doing the workouts, you're push and play. It should motivate you, right? It should motivate you. The fact that you are a coach now, and maybe you don't have coaches yet, should motivate you to do the workouts. Because as you do the workouts, week 1, and people start asking you what you're doing, and week 2, you get super excited and you lose maybe an inch, or you lose a pound or 2. Week 3, week 4, 4 weeks in, now you've lost maybe 10 pounds, 3, 4, 5 inches. Who knows what your results are? And now you're pumped, now you're excited, people start noticing, people start asking questions, people start coming up to you. If you're excited, people are going to come up to you and going to say, hey, I've been doing Zumba for 3-4 years and I've lost 4 or 5 pounds, but then it comes back and I just noticed in you in like a month, like I can tell you're different. What are you doing? And that's where you tell your story, right? That's where you tell your why. The why is the next video that you're going to learn about, and I'll share that with you next. Right now, like, product of the product is everything. You got to do the workouts, right? Sometimes if it means I'm going to miss a workout and I might go sign up a coach, I'm going to move the coach meeting. I know that sounds crazy, but the most important thing for you to do is to get yourself in best shape possible. a lot of the coaches I meet, almost all of the ones that I meet that have issues and tell me, you know what, I'm not signing up any coaches, or, you know, for some reason I'm not able to get challengers in the challenge group. You know, there's two reasons usually why that is, and I've tried to solve those with you with this video and the other videos above. The number one reason that people don't have success is confidence, right? And that is really the only reason, and there's two parts of that confidence with Beachbody. The first part of the confidence is not knowing what happens once they sign up a coach. So in their mind, they create this mental roadblock that, oh no, if they say yes to what I'm asking them, I have no idea where I'm going to send them to look at the fitness programs. I don't remember what my coach ID is. I don't know. They want to become a coach? Uh-oh. How did that form look like again? I don't know what to do with them. With confidence, if you have that in the back of your mind, you're not confident on how you're going to sign up that coach, then you're going to run into major issues because your mind is going to play with you. Your mind is very powerful, okay? Your mind has a part in it that will move heaven and earth to A, keep you comfortable, okay? And B, ensure that what you're thinking in your mind and manifesting is going to happen, okay? So if you're scared of signing up coaches, then guess what? You're not going to sign up coaches. If you're scared of, I don't know where to send them to look at the fitness programs, you're not going to get anyone. That's the first part. The second part to the confidence factor is the fact that you're feeling better, that you've made changes, that the workouts have worked for you, okay? If you are missing that, you're not going to have this confidence. Do I look like someone with confidence right now? Yes. If you look at me a year ago, would I have had this confidence? Absolutely not, okay? My belly was out to here. My cheeks were out to here. You know, I can make fun of myself, so I looked like basically the Pillsbury Doughboy, okay? I was not confident, okay? And now, it really depends on where you're at in your journey, but even if you're at a point where you're just starting your journey, and a couple of weeks out, you start seeing the results, that gives you the confidence that you need. That gives you whammo, the power and the ammunition that you need, where you can now walk into someone with the confidence you know what to do with them when they sign up, and the confidence of the product, right? You know, you're excited, you're fired up, you're sharing your why. You're gonna learn about that in the next video, right? And when all those two things come together and you create that confidence, that's where things will start happening for you, okay? So that is, I have signed up, on our team we have over 200 people at making of this video, right? I've helped over 1,000 people get in great shape. That's non-coaches, because we have like 200 coaches, but we've worked with so many people trying to lose weight and get in better shape, and the number one reason they don't have success is confidence, okay? And the way you're gonna get that is if you finish the beginning coach training, and now if you're listening to me and you're becoming a product of the product. You're doing the workouts, you're drinking Shakeology. I drink Shakeology twice a day, okay? I drink it in the morning and in the afternoon. And if I had more, I drink it probably 3 times a day. I make it for my kids. My kids love it. My kids ask for Shakeology. They're like, hey Dad, can you make a Shakeology? They know by name. They'll ask me for Shakeology pancakes because I make Shakeology pancakes for them. Okay, like I am a living, breathing, walking product of the product. And I attract people because of that. And I want you to become that because I know that if you become a magnet product of the product with confidence, you know, forget Beachbody. It's going to help you in every area of your life, and that's what I want for you. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. And again, I want you to keep living your life with just awesome passion, okay? That awesome passion will magnetize you and people around you, and keep dreaming the extreme. Keep dreaming the extreme for your family. That's what I want for you. And I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about sharing your why.